So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to open up the temp folder. You want to delete everything in this folder. Don't worry, it's just your temporary files. You want to do Control A and then click on delete. If you get this, tick the box, do this for current items, and then click on try again. If it comes up again, then tick the box and click on skip. This will delete all, if not most of the files in this folder. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in run. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to type in temp and then click on enter. You want to delete all the files in this folder as well. Do Control A and then delete. For the next step, you want to go to your desktop. You want to find your recycle bin, right click on it, and then click on empty recycle bin. And then click on yes. Once you do all of that, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.